Do you have an online store? Or do you want an online store but don't have the time or skills to successfully run it? We have just the service for you. Let us run your business for you. Your store will be run using the dropshipping method. Your store won't hold any inventory. When your store sells a product, we will then go to our third-party supplier and purchase the item and have it shipped directly to your customer. You never have to see or touch the product. Let's use this ladder for example. This ladder is $75 on your supplier's website. What we do now is list that exact same ladder on your e-commerce website and up the price to $150. When a customer purchases that ladder from your store, we go to the supplier and purchase the product for $75, and you pocket the difference. With this example, you are able to profit $75 without ever seeing or touching the product. All we need you to do is set up your account and then sit back and enjoy the profits each month. E-com automation will allow you to own your online store completely hands-off. We will do all the work for you. Everything from product research, inventory management, repricing, order processing, order tracking and returns, customer service and reviews. Everything. You just have to sit back and watch your profits take off. Click the link below to schedule a call to discuss your store today.